Namaste student. Here we're going to see some problem related to whole number chapter class 6. First one, find the whole number n when n plus 4 equals to 9. That means you need to find the value of n for which if we'll take these two number you will get 9. So how much you need here? That is how many? Can you guess? 5. Yes. 5 plus 4 will give you 9. Similarly here, which whole number you will take here, so that if you add these two you will get 101. So there is a process. We'll solve that one. How to solve it? So here one rule we're going to learn. So if we'll take n plus 4 and this side you are getting 9. So to get 5, what we're going to do? We'll subtract 9 minus 4. That means we'll take our n like this, equal to 9, and whatever number you will take this side, it will replace the symbol. That means if it is plus, we'll get here minus. So our answer will be n equals to 9 minus 4, that is 5. So if we'll go for this one, that is this, n minus 18 equals to 39. So here 39 will remain same and remain same. Minus 18 will go this side, it will give you plus 18. And now if we'll add it, 7, 1 in your hand, 5, 57. This is your answer. If we'll take here 57 and if we'll subtract it by 18, you will get 39. So this way you need to solve it. Okay. Next one. If we look at the question number 2. So you do this one. If minus is there, if you take this one this side, it will give you plus. And if there is a plus symbol, if you take this one this side, it will give you 101 minus 35. Okay. Now next question, state the property. There are lots of property like closure property. That means when you take any two number and if you multiply, you will get the same number. That is a closure property for multiplication. And if we take two numbers, if we add it and you will get same whole number, then closure property for addition. So here closure property, associative property, commutative property, multiplicative property for 1, multiplicative property for your 0. This we're going to see. So here if we look at this one, commutative property means if you take here a plus b, this side will give you b plus a. This is your commutative property. That means if you take 3 plus 5 and if you take 5 plus 3, both are same. So this is your commutative property under addition or commutative property for addition. And same thing, if we take here instead of plus multiplication symbol, then this one will be your commutative property for multiplication. That means 3 into 5, that is 15, should be equals to what? 5 into 3, that is 15. So here order change, but your value remain same. So this is your what? Commutative property for multiplication. Similarly, there is a associative property for addition and multiplication. That means a plus b plus c, and this side also a plus b plus c. And if we take first bracket, and now if we take first bracket this side, both are same here. Similarly, if we change the symbol, this is your multiplication property, not multiplication, associative property for multiplication. This is your addition and for multiplication. So this concept, we'll see the number, we'll take the numbers and we'll see that which property they are applying. One more property, that is the distributive property of multiplication over addition and distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. And one more is there, that means if you take a into 1, you will get a, or 1 into a, you will get a. This is your multiplicative property of for 1. And if you take a into 0, you will get 0, or 0 into a, you will get 0. This is your multiplicative property for 0. So here one more distributive property. So if we take a into a b plus c, then a into b, it will give you a into b plus a into c. So if we take number 3 into 5 plus 7 like this, so it will give you 3 into 5 plus, this is a plus symbol, then 3 into 7, 3 into 7. So if we'll add this, if we'll multiply here 15 and 35, and if we'll add them, if we'll add here 5, 5, 10, 1 in your hand, that is a 50. We are getting 50 here. Sorry. 315, and if you add, you will get here 50. Okay. So here mistake a little bit, here 3 would be there, so 21, and we'll get 36. So not 5, so 3 into 5, 3 into 7, so 3 will be there. And now if we'll take separately BODMAS rule, if we'll apply here, BODMAS rule means you bracket first and then multiplication. So here this one we have, if we'll take here 3 into 5 plus 7, that will give you 12, and 3 12 ja 36. Look at here, both are same here, but the middle part is not same. So this is your distributive property over addition. Similarly, if we'll take here same thing, like if I'll take here 3 into 5 minus 3 or 5 minus 2, if we'll take this one, there's a minus symbol, then this is your distributive property over subtraction. Okay, that means 3 into 5 minus 3 into 2. If we solve here 15 minus 6, we'll get here 9. And similarly, if we'll do here 3 into 5 minus 2, and if we'll take here 3 into 5 minus 2 will give you 3, and 3 3 ja 9. Look at both are same here. So we are applying here distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So we're going to see this one now. So next problem. So here I have already solved these all. So let's see here first 1 and 2. So you can see here the first 1 and 2. First one, look at the answer, pause the video and see here, or try by yourself and then check the answer. So here the second number, look at here what we have done here. This way you need to write here. You can see that a plus b, a into b, b into a, that is commutative property for multiplication we have applied. 16 into 32 is a whole number. Which type of property? See, two whole number we have taken, we have done what we have done, multiplication we have done, and we are getting the same some value which is a whole number. See, that means it is a closure property for multiplication. If it is written here, instead of writing, see here, instead of writing 16 into 32, if it is written here 16 plus 32 is a whole number. So what we're going to write, we'll just replace here for addition, that is closure property for addition. That we're going to write here if it is plus symbol. Similarly here, if it is a plus symbol, then what we're going to write, if both side plus symbol would be there, then we'll write here commutative property for addition, not multiplication. Okay, you need to see that one what they have given here. Similarly here, there's a multiplication symbol, a plus a into b into c, a into b into c. So here multiplication symbol is there, so associative property for multiplication. And if you see their plus symbol, then we need to write here addition. Only that much change would be there. Now see what we have already discussed about this property of multiplicative property of your 1. That means if you multiply any number with 1, that means except 0, not 0, then you will get what? Same number. That is a multiplicative property of 1. And if we take 0 and if we multiply any whole number except 0, then you will get here 0. Yes, you can take 0 also, no problem. 0 into 0 will give you 0 in this case. So in the last two, if you see here, distributive property of multiplication over addition, as you can see that there is a plus symbol, and if you see here minus symbol, we can see here minus. So here we'll write here over subtraction. Okay. Next, third number, we'll enter into the third number. So here we have third number question. Find the value of each of the following using various property. So there are property, distributive property over addition and distributive property for subtraction. We're going to apply this to here. So how are we going to do? See here, 647 into 13 plus 647 into 7. Now, so if we'll multiply these two, it will quite hectic. Why? Because you need to do this one in rough and then we're going to add. But here what they are saying, use various property. If they will not say also, and if they will ask you find the value for this one, so never multiply directly. Why, sir? Because you can see that 647 and 647, in the both case we can see this number is common. That means if we take 647 like this in bracket outside, then what remains? See, 647 we have taken outside, so we have part, what part? 13. And what symbol we have? Plus. We'll write here 647 is already outside, so we'll take here 7. Which property it is? It is distributive property of multiplication over addition. See here, a into b plus c will give you what? A into b plus a into c. That means this one they have given to us, and we need to convert this part into this, and then we need to solve it. So it will be easy for us right now. So 647 into 13 plus 7 will give you 20, and now it will be easy for you to multiply. Like see here, 2 4 ja 2 7 ja 14, 1 in your hand, 9 12. See, orally you are doing, without doing any rough calculation. Orally you can solve the answer. If you look at the other problem, these are quite more interesting. Like if you see here, 8759 into 94 and 8759 into 6. Now if you not use this property, distributive property, then it will be quite hectic for you. To solve this one, you need to do rough work, and there's the chances to get wrong also. But if you use this distributive property over addition, multiplication, distributive property of multiplication over addition, then it will be very easy. How? Look at here, and it is possible only when you have the same number. Look at here, a and a, that a is coming outside. Similarly here we have this one. Look at here, both are same here. Now it may be written like this also. Don't think that it should be written in the front. If you write here 94 into 8759 plus 6 into 8759, then also you can take here 8759 outside and 94 plus 6 like this. This way we are going to write 8759 into 94 plus 6. You may say like that, sir, if I'll get 94 into 8759 and plus 8759 into 6, if it will be given like that, if it is given like this, so can I take outside? Yes, you can take, because you can see that these two are there. And here we know that which property? Commutative property. Then we can take this one this side, or we can take this one this side. Then we'll get the same combination. So either you get this, this, or this. You can take out 8759 into 94 plus 6. And if you look at here, 94 plus 6, what? 100. And if you now multiply, is very easy. Just 8759 and take 20 at the end. This is your multiplication. Orally we have done, nothing extra. Similarly, if we'll go for this third number, here we have answer for third number. Look at, we have solved here. Pause the video, do by yourself and check the answer. So these are your presentation. You can see here. Okay. Next, second last problem, we'll enter into this. So here also, determine each of the following product by suitable rearrangement. Similarly, the way we have done for 3 number, here we're going to do. So in this case, what we're going to do, look at here. If we'll adjust here, that means commutative property. If we'll use the commutative property for multiplication, that means we can take 1658, that means 1658 this side and 2 this side. And if we'll take this one, then 2 into 50 means what? 100, and we'll get the answer. So if you see here, if I take 2 into 1658 into 50. Now if I'll take 1658 and 2 this side, and we are getting here 2 into 50, that means 2658 into what? 100, 50 to the 100, and here we have 1658 and 20 at the end. This is your presenting. So here we have the problem. Okay, solve by yourself. I already have done, I'll show you. Okay, next, last one. What list number must be subtracted from 13,601 to get a number exactly divisible by 87? So what we're going to do, you divide it. You divide this part by 87. Whatever remainder will left, if I subtract that remainder from this, you will get your required answer. So here, what we're going to do, so here we're going to do long divisions. We'll get our remainder, and that will be our required answer. So if we'll subtract this 13601, subtract this 29, whatever answer you will get, that will be exactly divisible by 87. And here your fourth number, look at the fourth number, take your time, do yourself, and then you match your answer. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. In some case, look at here, in this case I have not rearranged, it is already in arranged, because if we'll see 6 to 5 and if we multiply 16, you will get 10,000. So why should I take this one this side? It will be easy for us if we multiply these two. First you multiply, after that you don't have to multiply. But if we multiply these two, then you need to do more hard work. So cleverly you need to think. Maximum 0, how are you going to get? That will be your easy concept. Like if I'll take here, if I'll multiply these two part, see here, 6 into 4, that is 24. Here first we'll get here 0, but after that we'll not get 0. But if we multiply this one, you will get maximum 0. So that's why we have multiplied these two first. Similarly here also, 25 into 4 will give you 100. So change this, place this one this side. Or what we can do, see here I have done 4 this side and 9 to 7 this side. You may ask that, sir, if I'll take 25 this side and 9 to 7 this side, can I take? Yes, definitely you can take. If we'll go like this, like 4 9 to 7 into 25, you can write like this also, that is 9. Keep your this one for this side and take 425 here and 9 to 7 this side. Now here 425 here 100, 9 to 7, and ultimately result will be 92700. No problem, you can change this way or this way, you'll get the same result. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.